Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Google as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.02. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 18% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from about 21% to 8%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected increase of around 9%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 7% and 41% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of approximately $173 to $228. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for Google as Stock Downgraded to Sell Candidate." The Google stock price declined by 1.71% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, dropping from $165.06 to $162.24. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.10%, ranging from a low of $162 to a high of $165.41. The price has been volatile during this period, resulting in a decrease of 0.32% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 4 million shares, with a total of 24 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.95 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price of the stock was $207.05, while the lowest was $147.22. Currently, the price sits at 21.64%, or $44.81, below the 52-week high, and 85.65%, or $968.41, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,130.65. Alphabet, trading under the ticker Google, is currently navigating significant developments that could shape its stock trajectory. The company has recently announced an acquisition of $32 billion of the cybersecurity startup Wiz, an investment aimed at bolstering its presence in the growing cybersecurity sector. Despite this strategic move, Google shares have remained relatively flat, indicating cautious market sentiment amid a backdrop of broader economic uncertainty. Adding to the dynamics, Lockheed Martin has revealed plans to implement Google's AI technologies for national security purposes. This collaboration could enhance Google's position in the defense sector and validate its AI capabilities, potentially attracting more institutional investors and contributing positively to its long-term growth prospects. Interestingly, the Magnificent Seven tech stocks, including Google, are showing early signs of recovery from recent declines, which could spark renewed investor interest. The recent market sentiment has been mixed, as demonstrated by a 2% drop in Nasdaq amidst declining investor confidence, further highlighting the volatility within tech stocks. Challenges also loom for Google, as concerns about competition, particularly from Elon Musk's Grok, persist. With its stock having dropped about 20% from earlier highs, a focus on operational execution and market strategies will be critical. In conclusion, while Alphabet faces short-term hurdles, its strategic acquisitions and partnerships could pave the way for recovery and growth in the long run, affecting its stock price positively as market sentiment stabilizes. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald gave Google a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Wolfe Research reported an outperform rating for Google, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform rating along with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, UBS rated Google as neutral with a hold recommendation. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Google stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at $165.17 and $173.33. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. During the last trading day, both volume and price declined, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 18, 2025, and so far, it has risen by 0.98%. A further rise is expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages. Buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $160.67, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock generally trades at a strong volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.41, which is a change of 2.10%, between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.02%. Fine. Between its high and low, for the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.02%. Between its high and low, for the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.02%. Between its high and low, for the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.02%. Between its high and low, for the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.02%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.02. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $170.28. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Google faces its first support level at $160.67. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from various analyst sources indicates a buy sentiment. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were made by Porat Ruth, who bought and sold 39,377 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 13.843. In total, insiders acquired 1,418,769 shares and sold 1,072,320 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there has been no stop loss established. Is Google stock a good buy? Google currently presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold accumate to a sell recommendation. After assessing the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 28th of March, we anticipate Google will open higher by approximately 98 cents, starting at $163.22. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.